One, two, three.
Hello, hi, this is Divine Collections today, and I'm coming at you with another video on how to make a braided wig. And I've already started the wig. Okay, so this is the mannequin head. I'm doing basically like a tribal braid. So I started out with the hair braided in the middle, and then I'm braiding some to this side, and I'm also going to braid some to this side. As you can see, some marks here. I marked out my hairline. I put on the wig cap so I could see where my hairline was, and I marked it out. I used some eyeliner pencil as well as concealer in the back where it's the lace stops. So I'm using a cap that is already it has lace that comes with it and everything. Some people make their own, but this time around I just wanted to get a head start, so I didn't have to make one myself. So okay, so this one also has some lace in the back, as you can see. But anyway, so I've started out. I just wanted to show you all the technique. I can't film the whole video because it's going to be way too long, but I will show the technique that I'm using, and then I will come back in the end and show you. I'll probably do some box braids in the end and stuff after I finish this front parts. But I just want to show you the technique I've used. Well, first off, to start off, I have some expression here that is not pre-stretched, so I'm doing my pre-stretching myself. All right, so I pre-pulled the hair. I have also some hairs, as you can see here. They're pre-sectioned. I laid them on the chair, and I am going to, now by the way, I have a bunch of crochet hooks that I bought. Is a pack of them. I believe it comes in 6, and I'm gonna link in the description, put a link on the description where I got it on Amazon, because if you're trying to do lace wigs and there are, like, if you look at this, this is called a nitpicker. It's also, you can call it a crochet hook, but it's a really tiny mini one, as you can see right here. Okay, and the one I had at home, it was tearing the lace, so I had to order another one, a pack of them, and believe me, there's ones that are smaller than what you think. So this was actually smaller than the one I had at home. So this is what I'm using, and I'm just gonna put in, as you can see, the cap. I'm actually adding hair onto the cap. So I'm gonna put little pieces of hair and then braid it down. So I'm just gonna take maybe some of this hair, just little pieces of them. Yeah, just little pieces, 2 pieces. I'm just gonna set it down because I'm gonna crochet it onto the cap. Okay, so see, so I'm just setting it onto the cap, to the chair, so that I can use it for the crochet. I'm just laying it down in the chair. So, this is actually what makes the parts. So I'm creating my own parts with the hair. Okay. This little pieces, tiny little pieces, like a micro braid. So after that's done, okay, so let me angle onto the hair so that you'll kind of see what I'm doing. Okay. So I have this hair, a little bit of pieces. Onto the cap. Little bit of pieces. Okay. That's what I'm doing. I'm pushing it right onto the cap. And just show you how I'm getting the braids in. Okay. Like I said, I'm doing a tribal braid, so I'm just following each part. Each part. I'm following one of them. Okay, I'm just following the line, an invisible line. Okay, I have this. I'm gonna draw it down to like here. Okay, these are good. And some more. This one. Okay, start with a small piece of hair. Just a regular feeding braid. I'm gonna do it on this. So I'm gonna start off with this one. And we're doing the Ghana braid. Ghana feeding braid. So I just add a few pieces and braid it down. All the way down. So I'm gonna start off with here, and yep, I'm braiding it down. Hi, so I'm back and I have done quite a few right now. I started the box braiding in the back. I just wanted to show you where I'm at, and I'm just continuing the process of so I already have this side done. can see. And of course I'm going to continue putting some box braids underneath here, kind of like fillers, but I'm not going to make it too full so that it's not going to be heavy. But I'm just continuing, and like I was before, applying the braids with the crochet pin. This tiny crochet pin, and just applying it. And so I'm kind of trying to angle it. I have this kind of like middle curve, and I'm trying to angle it just so that it kind of lays flat. So that's where I'm at. I just wanted to show y'all where I'm at in the process, and continue on from there. All right, so here I am in the back of the hair, and I have what I did was I crocheted some hair to the back, and I'm just doing box braids, individual box braids in the back, just to fill in this back portion. So that's what I'm doing right now. Of course, I have the hairs that I've pre-pulled, and I'm just continuing on doing the box braids. The hair has been braided. You can see it's all done, and so all this remains is just the back. And once I finish the box braids, then I'm just gonna dip the ends in the hot water. Okay, so that's all that I have left to do, and which is what I'm doing. So I'm just sectioning. So I crocheted the hair, did individual crochets, and I'm just implanting the box braids in. I didn't want to put too many, so I just made it kind of scanty so that it's not going to be too full. But that's where I'm at. So, yep. All right. So I'll come back when it's done. All right, fam. So this is the front. So here we go, y'all. This is the finished look. Braided wig is done. The ends have been dipped in hot water, and we are good to go. It's laying pretty flat, and it's really flexible. You can see it's flexible. So, and yeah. So that's the look, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I hope you've learned something from this. You can put your edges out if you want, but you don't have to. So you can go with an edge free look. So thank you so much for watching. You can put it in a ponytail. It goes nice in the ponytail as well, or you can just leave it down. So all right, thank you, and be blessed.